good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. Today I've been up since 6. It is currently, let me check for you, 8:01. I'm at a petrol station. You might be wondering what am I doing at a petrol station. Nah, I don't have a car yet, unfortunately. But as you could probably tell by the title of this video, I'm going to a car show called Edition 38. It's in Northampton. For us, it's about an hour drive or so. Probably at the petrol station because this one, Izzy, is getting petrol and stuff and getting his tyres pumped up with air, etc. to prepare little minor touches here and there before we head out. What petrol station is this?
Shell.
Highcombe Shell. Not too bad. If you want another prices, give me a sec. There you go.
Remix for the wheels.
What's this, a sponsorship, yeah?
Top tip.
He's just doing little final touches here and there. Now, as you know, the last car show us two, we both went to was it Homegrown, wasn't it, the last time we went to?
Yeah, that was about a couple months ago, that one. Actually, no, it was
No, I didn't go with you lot.
last year.
Nah, I'll say it was a year before that. Or year before last year?
I had my standard bumper on, so
Yeah.
yeah, I think it was about 2 years ago.
Yeah, so the last car show we went to was Homegrown, which is quite a while back. If you go back on my channel, you know, you'll see the video, even though it went up later than when it was supposed to, but obviously that's just how things go. So today we're going to Edition 38. Unfortunately, even though I've graduated, I don't have a job yet, so no car for me as of yet. But today this is the car which we'll be taking. You've seen it before, you'll see it again, but yeah.
You've seen it everywhere. It's
Nah, it's nice, man. That's the whip for today. Obviously some minor changes that have been done to it. He's got a bit of a tape here as well, looking fresh.
Don't watch that, bro.
Nah, I thought it was part of the whole like custom bodywork.
Yeah, bro. Extra brake horsepower.
No,
One extra brake horsepower.
No, extra aerodynamics. And also he's got the GTI front bumper. He's checking his tyre pressures, etc. before we actually begin our drive down. But hopefully it should be good. The first ever car show I went to was Edition 38. After that I went to Homegrown. But since then I haven't been to anything because I've been busy with university. I came back last year. I was supposed to head up to obviously Edition 38 again. But unfortunately my man here was too busy with something. I don't remember. I saw you went to...
Edition 38 and Homegrown are the only ones I've been to.
Yeah, but I swear you went abroad in it last year.
Probably back in
Yeah, exactly, in it. So
Getting my plans, bro. Nah, Edition and Homegrown was the last ones I went to.
yeah.
I was vexed because I wanted to go to more. We said we was going to go to
Yeah, we said we were going to go to more, but then it comes down to obviously other commitments and stuff. And the thing with me is, unfortunately, I still don't have a car. If I had a car, it'd make life so much more easier. I don't have, like, you know, you don't have to always call up someone and get a lift. But yeah, so the car's all.
It makes life harder because you lower it this point and you up everything. New splitter you just bought.
We don't. Oh, you scraped it? Nah.
I can't go to second level of car parks.
Can you not?
I can't. Literally, I have to say bottom floor. Right?
Yeah, does the job. But yeah, so we'll be heading out now. Well, in about 2 minutes, we're just going to grab some little bits and bobs from the petrol station, like drinks, etc. I've also, thanks to my brother, shout out Umar, got his, well, DSLR, so I'll be recording on that as well. I'll get some footage of the cars and I'll put a little satin together. But, you know, hopefully it turns out well and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So,
Keep it locked. See you there.
see you there in a bit. long journey. Unfortunately, we got stuck in a bit of traffic because something was happening at Silverstone. But we finally made it. I can already see some cars here and there. We've come on the last day.
Last day is the best day, to be fair.
You reckon?
Everyone goes for the Sunday, but
Yeah.
everyone who wants to just chill and camp will go for the weekend, so it's not too bad.
I think
Raining,
I'm just waiting for the future. Like once obviously I'm working, I've got my own car. Maybe then we both do a little camping session in it.
Yeah, trust.
That'll be pretty interesting.
Now,
We're just gonna get some tickets. Just bear with us.
Just 2 people, please. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. There we go.
Is it? Where's it spot? Just left.
Yeah, anywhere, don't park anywhere on the left.
Cheers.
Show and Shine 2016.
Oh, sorry, didn't mean to hold. I ain't holding anyone.
Oh, that's a nice car there, man. Oh my, beautiful, mate. Nice and grey. Oh, I can see all the cars from here. Oh.
That's my hate.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to get in there, bro.
Oh, for a car show, this road's oh, that Mark II is nice.
Oh, I like how they got the thing. You can like put it. You don't have to
like keep it on your whole life.
Oh nah, shit up. Oh nah, up.
Huh?
Oh no, amateur. So just parked up. Hopefully we'll head in now. I decided to pull on the little black bit. Now the thing's too tight for me, so hopefully someone can sort it out for me. We'll get something sorted out. I don't know. The force it in.
You're taught wrong.
We ain't definitely get another one.
We ain't all mugs.
Well, that's nice.
Later on it'll pick up.
Nice little stand here. Yo, check out that A5.
Awesome. Look at the plate.
Calm. Right, so I finally sorted it out. All you had to do was take the black right till the end. But yeah, so we're in now. It's popping, mate. Right, so what I'll do is I'll walk around, have a look around, and then hopefully capture some footage on this big boy and put something together, and then you'll see what we've got going on. If anything else happens, obviously I'll switch this bang on cars on here, but just like a brief look around. You also got all the stands, etc.
Guys, don't forget this car.
Go on, you guys. So we haven't been here long at all, and this one already wants to eat. What are you getting?
Donuts. It's not like coffee though.
Well, there's milkshakes over there as well.
Nah, you don't have donuts.
That's the best combo ever, mate.
Bad mother.
explain what you're signing up to?
Signing my life away.
What is it?
I don't know, she said something about Rishta and I was like,
Arishta. Who is it? I think she said it'd take 2 seconds. How long has it taken you so far?
I've been counting, but I can't even.
Are you ready? You got yours?
Oh,
yeah, what are your numbers?
131 to 135.
Alright, good luck, yeah? I'll get mine now. Could I get a strip as well, please?
That's £5, please. There we
You're
go.
166 already.
Right, these are my numbers. And we shall see what happens, so. Right, so we just bought a ticket each for the golf, which was mentioned earlier, which is up for grabs. Yeah. So I got obviously these numbers. It's a Mark. Oh yeah, is it a Mark 5 or Mark 6?
I'll buy 5 more tickets, bro.
How much?
Thank you
There we
very
go.
much.
Good luck.
Cheers.
You really want to win this car, don't you?
Bruv, it's a
What is
solid,
it? It's a Mark 6
It's a
or
Mark 6
Yeah.
1.4.
Yeah.
Already bagged on VCEs. So you're getting a f***ing bargain, bro. A tenner. Asians love their bargains, you know what I'm saying?
£5, one strip.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And
Love their bargains, you know what I'm saying?
£5, one strip. £10, 2 strips. But apparently you get free insurance for about a week or so, so yeah. But there's so many cars, it's unbelievable, it's epic. Love it. I've recorded wherever I could and however I could, in the sense that I tried capturing all the details. As you can see, this golf here going past. See what the outcome of this raffle ticket is going to be. But the vibes are so good right now. Everyone's just chilling, talking, cars. Right, where's Izzy gone? There he is. He's been wandering off. Yo, you want to get a pancake? I was looking for you. I was like, where are you going?
I was just like, lost overload, bro. Yeah.
Right, so we just found this pancake little setup. What are you getting?
Banana and Nutella or strawberry and Nutella.
I'm not a big fan of the old banana.
Banana?
Yeah, not a big fan.
Have you had it with Nutella? Banana with chocolate in general is just best.
Thank you very much. Cheers. From this, how's yours?
It's quite nice, it's really sticky. It's proper hard to cut though.
Right, I think we're just gonna have to stand up. There's nowhere to sit down, but my hand is absolutely burning with this. Right, once we've eaten this, we'll head back. We'll see what the winning prize car's doing up there in a bit on the main stage, and then carry on looking at more cars. I love this Porsche though.
A few moments later.
That was proper nice, man.
last night and a nice safe one as well. Just to remind everyone of the raffle car. If I'm not wrong, it's £5 a strip. So you can win this car for £5. And yes, it is a raffle, unlike some of the rumours going around. This can be won fair and square. It'll be announced today once the show's towards the end. This car was built by sponsors, Psychographics, HRC have helped out, Stylehouse, Maguire's, Reva Design, Air Ride, Mark 6 Golf. Tool car for £5 anyway, so drives well, looks mint, you can win it.
Right, so we're on a little break from walking around, etc. We decided to get some veggie burgers and also come back to the car so we can eat. But yeah, as I was saying, oh, that is nice.
Ketchup all over my forehead.
Can you see it? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. We just got some veggie burgers from one of the little stands in there. What do you reckon about the show? What do you think?
It's quite nice, but
I think it's a lot more busy than when...
Oh, what, you're on about the I'm on about the burger.
How's the burger? Is it good?
Huh?
Is it good?
The burger's nice, yeah. What were you, I don't even know what you were talking about.
I was about the show.
Oh, the show's quite nice. Standard, the cars is gross.
Compared to like when we last came,
Oh yeah.
it's a lot more busier then.
It's a lot more busier. No, it's a good show in general, to be fair.
I'm enjoying it, man. It's good. There's a lot more variety this year as well compared to like last year.
That Porsche is always there though.
Yeah.
That will always be my favourite.
That, what do you think? What do you reckon about the car that's for the raffle? Do you reckon we'll get it?
Nah. We won't get it. It was a fucking waste of tenner.
He spent £10, I spent £5. So, but if you get it, that'd be pretty sick.
No, that'd be calm.
But how you gonna? Who's gonna drive this home?
Well, you're gonna have to, innit?
Calm. But then whoever gets it, you know, congratulations to you in advance. Enjoy the car, even though I've got nothing to do with it. Yeah, yeah.
I'll buy it off you 15 quid.
He's confused whether to get a black one or a red one.
I bought this one last year, a red one, and the amount it got dirty so quick, just with dirty hands when you're working in the car.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with blacked out.
You get black?
I'm gonna have to go with blacked out.
See, I'm thinking red.
Oh, I don't know, the looks nice as well though. You got
both.
Where's your raffle ticket? Where's your raffle ticket? What numbers you got again?
Have yours. That's
Mine in my pocket. Don't worry.
all scrambled up.
Tickets out.
631 to 635,
Yeah, Zach, back pocket,
131 to 134. Fuck you, won't we?
Wait, let me get mine out. It's a bit scrunched up and all, but...
Out of focus, but over.
166 to 170.
Alright, proof.
Alright, here we go.
For the raffle car to come on stage, Marx's Golf on Air Ride, built by some of the greatest companies in the UK now. And again, you are taking it home. Do you know today would be nice? So get your tickets and ready. There will be a countdown for you to claim your prize. Just so you know, Mickey Bell is from the 1920s, so you can't use Air Ride. Yep, neither can his partner in crime. Guys, it's the other button. Bottom left, bottom right button. Double tap. Leave the Air Ride to the Air Ride boys. Sorry about all this modern technology in Air Ride. What next? Electricity. Hello, mate. Do you want to give me a hand? Do you want to come and help me? So somebody wins a car. What's your name? Braden. This is Braden. If you win this car, you owe Braden some sweets, some money for some sweets. Okay, it's an orange ticket. Hold on, because if they ain't here, if they're not here, we draw it again, so this car's got to go. So don't run off thinking,
Have you got orange
I've
ticket?
won it.
Is that orange?
Do you want to open that for me, Braden?
I don't know, orange, yellow.
Is that supposed to be orange?
Is that orange or yellow? I don't
think so.
I think that's yellow.
Nah, it's orange.
85, orange, number 85. Jesus Christ, he was quick, wasn't he? Hang on, Braden. Let's go and check that he's got the right ticket, shall we?
Vicky Barrier!
Fuck.
Thank you very much for staying with us.
I want my money back. Right, guys, so bear with me a second while I get into the car. So unfortunately we didn't win. How do you feel, man? Wait, give me how do you feel about not winning?
Used, stolen out of my money. I worked a long, hard hour and a half, just over an hour for that.
I mean, congratulations to the person who won.
Yeah.
You saw who won. I caught him on camera. But you know, congratulations to you if you're watching, or if someone knows him, then you know, all the best with that car. But yeah, we're gonna head out now. It's been a long day. I hope you liked what I did with the video. I've tried my best with trying to capture everything that I could and with the editing that I've done. So if you enjoy it, please leave a like. Do subscribe. If I do, obviously in the future I do tend to do more car videos, etc. How long's the journey home?
Hour 40.
Hour 40. That's not too bad.
Like
I said before, do leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe for more videos in the future.